Hello friends, as you know I have started chapter 2 of class 8 microorganism friend and foe. Foe means enemy. Large amount of organic matter in the form of decaying plants and sometimes dead animal on the ground. They disappear after some time. This is because microorganisms decompose dead organic waste of plant animal, converting them into simple substance. What does it mean? Sometimes you have seen the decay plant and dead animal lying on the ground and they just disappear. How it happens? It decomposes by the microorganisms into simpler form. Now what are harmful organisms? Disease causing microorganisms are pathogens. Now disease causing microorganisms are called pathogens. Now pathogens enter our body through air we breathe, the water we drink or the food we eat. How these pathogens enter our body? Through food we eat, the water we drink, the air we breathe. They enter our body from these mediums. Now what happens? Microbial diseases that can spread from an infected person to a healthy person through air, water, food or contact are communicable diseases. Now microbial diseases which are spreading through contact, air, water, food from a infected person to a healthy person is communicable diseases. There are some insects and animals which act as a carriers of disease causing microbes. Housefly is one such carrier. How housefly is a carrier? It first sits on the garbage and the excreta of animal and then it sits on the uncovered food. It leaves the pathogens and when you eat that contaminated food you get infected. Now another example of carrier is female Anopheles mosquito which carries the malaria. Female Aedes or mosquito act as a carrier of dengue virus. Now what is food poisoning? The disease caused by the contaminated food is food poisoning. Now read it. Could be due to the consumption of food spoiled by the microorganisms. When microorganisms attack the food, then then the disease you cause is food poisoning. Suppose a moist bread is kept in a moist atmosphere. It gets contaminated by the microorganisms. Then that is spoiled food. If you eat that, then you will get food poisoning. Now food preservation. First is chemical method. Sodium benzoate and sodium bisulfite is used as a preservative. Common salt is used as a preservative in pickles. Oil is used as a preservative in pickle. Vinegar is used as a preservative in chutney. Sugar is used as a preservative in jam. Heat and cold treatment. What is heat and cold treatment? You boil the milk. Then microorganism will not spoil the milk. You refrigerate the milk, then also microorganism will not spoil the milk. So this is heat and cool treatment. Now what is pasteurization? Pasteurization is heating the milk to 70 degrees Celsius for 15 to 30 seconds and suddenly cooling that milk so that the microorganism cannot spoil the milk. Thank you. Hope this helps.